Can I ask you something kind of big?
Of course. Big questions are the best kind.
Why did God create the world? I mean, if he's God, didn't he already have everything?
That's a deep question. No, he didn't need anything. God wasn't lonely or lacking. He created not because he had to, but because he wanted to share love. Creation is like an overflowing cup. When love is real, it spills out and creates more life. He made the world to give life a chance, to give you a chance.
But if he made the world out of love, why is it so messed up?
Because real love means freedom. God gave the world beauty, but also gave people choice. And over time, people chose things that broke that beauty. It's like giving someone a garden, and they decide to light a fire in it. But God didn't stop loving. That's the real story of the Bible. Love that keeps pursuing.
So, was the world perfect at the beginning?
Yes. Imagine a world with no death, no pain, no shame. The trees were full of fruit, animals didn't fear humans, and everything was in harmony. And God called it very good. Not just okay, but very good. The world started as a masterpiece.
Where were people in all that? Why did he make us?
Because he wanted partners, not puppets. He made the stars and seas with his voice, but when it came to humans, he bent down and formed them by hand. That's how close we are to his heart. We were made to walk with him, to create, to care, to love, just like him.
But if he knew we'd mess up, why make us at all?
Because even knowing all the pain, he believed it was worth it. Every sunrise, every laugh, every act of kindness, he saw it all in advance. He saw your life, your face, your heart, and he said, yes. Even with the risk, they're worth it.
Do you really think he sees me like that?
I know he does. The same God who placed the galaxies thought the world needed you. He still whispers in the trees, paints sunsets in your sky, and waits for your voice. He's never far.